Hello guys, this is Mickey Faisal and today we will talk about how you can fetch data from Facebook. I mean your Facebook, how you can fetch your Facebook profile data in Android Studio, as we have already talked about how you can integrate Facebook login and how you can get key hashes. Both of these two videos tutorials I have completed, and you can watch these tutorials. I will provide both of these links in the description below. So let's get started with how you can fetch the profile data from Facebook. So open your Android Studio. As I told you that I we have already done the Facebook login part. So now we will gonna just now we will just do the data fetch. So go to your main activity.xml file and just type linear layout, match parent, web content, orientation, vertical, gravity, center, center in parent, padding 20 dB. In this one, type profile picture view, which is provided by Facebook SDK, which I have already integrated in the previous tutorial. So step ID, I'm gonna give it a name as profile image view, sorry, image view, and then I'm gonna type text view, which will be web content, ID, ID name text view, okay, and it will be margin top, will be like 10 dp, text size will be 16 dp, text color black, text style bold, font family sans serif light. Okay, this is it for you. Now just copy this login button and Control X, Control V, and you do not need this now. Just okay, margin top form. Okay, this is fine now. So press Alt Control L for rearranging the code. Now copy the ID. Just came into your main activity. Profile, picture view. Copy the text ID. Text view. Then just simply press Control D to duplicate the line and copy and just align it same. And now for getting the data, check login result not equal null, and then type graph request, which will be graph request dot new request, then type login result dot get access token. Okay, now we need to set a callback. For that, new graph graph, and you will see the first method here, callback method here. Okay, so here what you need to do is bundle new bundle define bundle dot put string and type fields, then id, then type id name email, gender, and birthday. Okay, now what you need to do is you need to set the parameters to the graph request. Graph request dot set parameters bundle, then graph request dot execute execute as async. Okay, now you need to fetch the data. So fetching the data, first check that object not equal null, then type string profile id equal object dot sorry object dot get string. This is for the profile picture. Okay, so now press alt enter on the get string. Okay, fine. Now just press control D and rename the instance username, and for name you just need to type name, and for setting up the data you have to type name text view dot set text. Text will be username. For setting up the sorry profile image view dot set preset size, type normal. As you can see that there is a instance static instance. Okay, again type profile image view dot set set profile id, and just type profile id here. Okay, so our data is set now. We just run and check, and if you want to learn that how you can integrate Facebook login, you can watch my previous tutorial videos where I have told that how you can uh, integrate Facebook login. And in the next upcoming videos, I'm going to tell you that how you can create your Facebook post directly from app. You can share links, images, videos, and how you can customize your Facebook button, how you can add Facebook ads, etc. It's taking a bit time. It's quite taking a lot of time. Okay, so Gradle is finished. Okay, as you can see that our profile picture is here, and under this uh, username. So click on continue with Facebook for login. And if you will have the Facebook app in your mobile, you will get another kind of interface. We are getting this interface from web view directly. So just type your ID here, click on login, press continue. See that our profile picture and our profile name is successfully on, and as you can see that the Facebook button is changed to logout. So if you like the video, please do like, share, and comment your queries, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.